Introducing the Sling Revolution, where style, versatility, and innovation meet. Designed with a low-profile frame, standing at just 120 centimeters tall and 150 centimeters long, built from heavy resistant metal and thick canvas to offer durability like never before. Featuring a groundbreaking adjustable arm for vacuum lock attachments. Completely flexible, customizable to any angle or length, and easily removable. It comes paired with a removable seat, perfect for your every need, whether sitting or kneeling. Adaptability redefined. Remove the legs of the frame to drop the frame to just 95 centimeters for seamless machine play. This sling is precision engineered to suit your preferences. This sling has been crafted to elevate your play. Why settle for less? Order now. Start enjoying the amazing feeling of having a sling at home.